Sureties were people and/or things given by one party to another to guarantee the performance of a given obligation. In a sale of property, for example, a vendor might give sureties to restore the payment price if the purchaser cannot acquire possession and ownership of the sold property. Sureties could be personal sureties, whereby the principal would name individuals who would share in his or her liabilities if the principal failed to discharge the original obligation. Sureties could also take the form of property, movable or immovable. In this situation, the principal either hands over an item, often of value, or names a particular property that another party either holds or will be entitled to have should the principal default in his or her obligation. Sureties were used across a range of situations, including the execution of contracts, guarantees to attend legal proceedings, and promises of future good behaviour. In English law, personal sureties are referred to as pledges, whereas real sureties are referred to as gages.